Hello friends, this is SC Channel BG. We are in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China. We were invited to a European media tour in YUTONG bus factory. This is the biggest bus factory in the world, and it's so big that we need to travel around it with the autonomous buses produced in the same factory. In this factory work more than 20,000 people. Stay with the video and you will see some of production lines and also what kind of tests every single vehicle needs to pass before it goes to the clients.
So this is the Ford L4 automatic driving vehicle, L4 level. Yeah, and this factory is it's very huge, and maybe 20,000 staff is working here. Maybe about, yeah.
In this workstation you can see the different stages of cleaning, electrocoating and preparing for paint shop. The whole line is fully automated and computer controlled.
Florian, if anyone remembers it, yeah? And this painting workshop is built by a famous company from Germany, Carpa, in 2008. So you might notice the smell. It's just an electrophoretic paint. It's a water-based proof paint, so it's not biohazard. So you can see the hallways entirely isolated from the electrocoating process workshop. The degreasing too is a part of a pre-treatment where you clear the dust and oil stains all of the body, and it's better to synchronization, and then it's the electrocoating. Yes, it's a part of the preparations to be made.
After spreading with our teams, we are going to the forward Washington in our capital. This technique is the reorganization. The organization condenses nanofilm on the bottom of the surface. It is ready for the electrocoating.
So the tank is basically 16 meters long, 4 meters high, and 6 meters wide. It's capable of electrocoating vehicle bodies from 6 meters to 14 meters. And now is the synchronization to film. They improve the anti-corrosion performance of creating a subsequent process with a microfluid fluid they are soaking with. So through the rinsing, we're just remove the synchronization fluid inside and outside the vehicle body to stabilize the water, the salt and spring waves, just like we want. Yeah, after the synchronization, we can finally achieve to the electrocoating workshop, electrocoating tank. With this atomic electrocoating tank, the vehicle body is inside and outside with the electrocoating process with a guaranteed anti-corrosion warranty for 8 to 10 years. This is the monitoring screen you can see right there. Since it's a full automatic workshop, electrocoating, it only has to use 3 to 5 employees to monitoring the situation in case of the emergencies. And you can see all the vehicle bodies in this one screen. And for the painting workshop, we're using full automatic robot painting technology. Since it's cooperated with Dual Group in Germany in March 2013, the painting robots began to be officially applied in the process of coat. So you can see all the vehicle body model right here with the welded bus body and the electrocoated bus body that we're seeing back there. And with that, with the floating coat and finally the finishing coat, which is the painting workshop.
Okay, everyone, we can go to the video of our
So you can see the monitoring screen right there. So using the full automatic robot painting, the accuracy of painting is well increased by 60%. It reaches the highest standard with the industrial standard that no manually painting can be reached. With the robotic painting, the qualities and safety is well applied by the robot painting.
Here we go to the assembly line.
Hello here guys, welcome to our green production workshop. Please. This line is used for our T7 product. Our workshop is use the plant chain conveyor to move our product. We can see this display board to get an overview of our product workshop. For this workshop, we have 3 production lanes in this workshop, and every lane we can produce 32 units per day. And just for 24 minutes, we can produce 1 unit. This is our plant chain conveyor. Because our product is too heavy, so our employees is hard to move them. So we choose this plant chain conveyor to move our product. It's so convenient for our employee. You can see this is our industrial computer. We can get the production information from this. Don't need the paper materials. This model is our SPS motor controller and our production tax and plant chain conveyor. I have said, and our industrial computer. For this stems our workshop will be more convenient for our employees. Yes. Every season, every patterns, etc. of our product, you can choose one. using this board to set our automatic field equipment. Our employee can use it to aid the fuel and the air speed to production. And this is just the first test of our company, and we have 3 tests for our product. The road test side is just the final. This is our finished product here. Our company has achieved a global presence. Its products have been sold in batch to more than 14 countries and regions, covering Europe, America, Asia, and Africa, and other areas.
And now you are going to see what tests need to pass the bus before it goes to the market.
Yes, because the water will get into the bus. Yes. Okay, now we will have our waiting pool test. This test is for our vehicle's motor and battery safety to ensure it can be a long distance running in the water. Yeah. We need to do this test for 3 to 5 times to ensure the safety of our vehicle. this test, the surge water will depth for 1 meters. Oh, it's so cool. 师傅，咱这是最后一次了吧？对。Okay, we will finish our test. After this test, we will draping our product in there. Okay. This room is used for our shower test, and it can don't let us water leaking in our product.
did not hold 17.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, subscribe and like.